Alright, in this video I'll be showing you how to convert your USDT to any altcoin or sell it to any altcoin and then transfer the money. So I'll be doing this with an example, and I'll be showing you how to convert this USDT to Ton and then transferring the Ton to your Tonkeeper for those who want to be doing Ton transaction, right? So there are two ways you can convert USDT. After buying, you can convert USDT to Ton in Bybit, right? So this is Bybit. Now, one way is to come to asset here. If I come to asset, you are going to see this money is in funding, right? So check for the money. If it's on funding, fine. If it's not on funding, you move the money from unified to funding. How do you do that? You simply click on transfer. If I click on transfer, you can see funding to unified. So I'll just toggle this place. I will now move it from unified to funding, and then click maximum USDT and then withdraw it to funding. But right now I already have the money in funding, right? So I'll click on convert. You can see this convert here. So I'll click on convert. Now I want to convert my USDT to Ton, right? Then I'll toggle this place again, toggle this place to have the USDT up and then BTC down. So I'll click on this arrow button here to search for Ton. So I'll just search for Ton using this search bar, or you can scroll to look for it, but I prefer to search. So I'll just click on it and type Ton. So that's done. I will click on it. Now once I do that, you can see that Ton has now replaced the BTC. So I'll click on maximum if I want to transfer, if I want to convert everything. So I'll just click on maximum. When I do that, you can see that I'm having 1.22 what ton, right? So it's giving me 1.22 ton. So now that is one way. All I need to do is to click on what quote, and you convert it, right? So that's one way. Now if I don't want to use this way, I want to sell it. The other way you can do it is by just selling it on trade. If I come to trade here, if I click on trade, you can see that here you will see cards USDT. So I'll click on this place, just click here. It's going to show you other pairs, right? So you search for Ton USDT. Either you look for it here or you search for it here. So I'm going to search for it right now, Ton. So this is Ton USDT. So I'll click on it to replace the cards USDT. So I have Ton USDT right now. Now I want to buy, because I want to buy Ton in place of my USDT. But if you look at this place right now, I don't have USDT. Available USDT is what? 0.0000, right? That is because the USDT I have is in funding. So I'll come back to asset and then change this to what? Change this from funding to unified by clicking on transfer, just like as we did for the previous one. So now funding will now be up, unified will be down. Then I will click on maximum to what? To transfer it to my unified account. So when I do that, I will now see it in this available, because in unified is where you have money for your trading, either on futures or on spot. But the funding wallet is where you have money that you want to transfer outside of Bybit, or you want to just keep for save, right? So let me just assume I want to buy for 6.5. You can see that here I am kind of having more this thing done here. So depending on the one you want to use, if you want to use here, because here is going to give you more, which is 1.23 than the previous one, is good for you. If you want to use the convert, whichever one you want to use to do it, the thing is that you arrive at the same result, which is what? Having Ton, right? So let me do this one right now. Let me just transfer it from funding to this. Let me click on maximum and click confirm, right? So when I click on confirm, you can see that the money has moved from funding to my unified trading account. So I can now go to my trades. You can see that we now have it here. You can see it here. So I can now buy this coin right now like this. So I can now place trade by looking at where is the price. 5.2449. This is 5.246. So I'll just click on 5.246 to activate that, and then I click buy ton here, right? So let me see, bring it low and then click buy ton. All right, so now because my price is lower, it entered into what pending order, but right now the order is filled because the price has hit the actual price that is here. So now we now have ton. We now have ton in our unified trading account. So this is it here. You can see it here, right? So now it's now time to transfer it from here to our Ton wallet, right? So we'll now go to Ton. Let me go to Tonkeeper. Okay, so I'll click here and choose Tonkeeper. All right, so this is my Tonkeeper wallet. So I will click on this Ton because this is what I want to transfer. I can click here or I click this receive. So let me just click here right now. And then you can see receive here. So I'll click on this receive. And then my wallet is going to pop up like this. I'll just click on copy wallet. So I'll copy the wallet and go back to my Bybit and then click on withdraw, right? So let me go out from here so that you will see where withdraw is. I'll go out from there and then you can see withdraw here. So I'll just click on this withdraw here. Okay, so basically I can't withdraw it like I told you. You can't withdraw from unified trading account. You can only withdraw from your funding. So after buying, we have to convert it back to, transfer it back to funding before we actually withdraw. So let me transfer it back by clicking on this transfer here again. So I will do the same thing, toggle here from unified to funding. Now convert, change here to ton, put maximum and click confirm. So now we've moved it back to funding. So now I can withdraw. Now the reason why the conversion is better is because it's just straight. You convert it in your funding account instead of transferring to unified, buying and then coming back to transfer it again from unified to funding before sending out. You just convert and everything will be on unified account. All right, so remember we copied our Ton wallet address, so we are going to paste it here. So let me paste it here. Now always choose the network address, which is Ton. Click on this place to choose network address. It is Ton. You can see the gas fee is 0.1 ton. So I'll click on it. Then memo. For this case, memo is optional. There are some that will ask you for memo and it will be required. You will have to put the memo, but for here, memo is optional. So the amount I want to withdraw, they said minimum withdrawal is what, 0.2, but I want to withdraw everything. So I'll click on maximum. If you want to withdraw any other thing, you just put it here, just type it here, and then you click on withdraw. But before you withdraw finally, always cross check that what you have here as your wallet address and the network is the same. So my wallet address is what, UQAYOPC. So I'll go back to my Tonkeeper. You can see it here, UQAYOPC. Then the last digits are what, 5UO6ZL9. So I'll go back here and check it, 5UO6ZL9. So I can now click confirm. So always make sure that you check that, because if you don't check that, you may just send it to the wrong address. So guys, this is how you, let me just click OK. This is how you convert your currency. You convert your altcoin, or you buy altcoin from Bybit and send to any other wallet. I just use this Tonkeeper as an example, but you can use this method to send to any other wallet. So let's wait and see if it's going to arrive, right? So let me refresh here again. So I know that it usually arrive within 1 minute to 5 minutes. So let me wait and see. Once it arrives, we'll see it together. Alright guys, now you can see that the money has arrived, and this is it here. So this is the ton, 1.14 ton. So this is as simple as it is, guys. If you have learned anything from this video, let me know in the comment section below. And also, if you want to join my community on Telegram and learn ways to trade and make money from cryptocurrency, use the link in bio to join that community, because in that community we are doing a whole lot in that community. All right guys, I will see you in my next video.